This is my Hoover Hurricane vacuum cleaner, which I am reviewing for AO.com. This Hoover is Class A energy rated, so it is economical on electricity. As you can see, it has 5 suction settings for different floor types. It has a long power cord and several attachments. It is very good at removing pet hair with this pet hair nozzle. It has a telescopic removable handle for cleaning above floor level, and this is ideal for the stairs. Now for a quick demonstration. Press power. This Hoover Hurricane has really good suction and is easy for me to manoeuvre. I would certainly recommend this vacuum cleaner. Thank you.